Welcome friends, all of you, to today's video of Next Generation Coin. Friends, in today's video, we are going to talk about a digital currency-based project through which you can generate a great income with smart and innovative trading strategies. So let's start the video. Friends, Next Generation Coin, or NGC, is a powerful digital currency project that works on advanced arbitrage trading technology. The official website of this project is www.ngcoin.io, where you can visit and learn everything about the concept. Arbitrage trading is a unique system through which you can earn consistent profits using new and experienced trading strategies designed by professionals. The CEO of the company is Mr. Nigesio Nilara, a highly experienced personality with years of expertise in trading and blockchain technology. You can check his complete details on the screen. Talking about tokenomics, friends, the total supply of NG coin is 100 million. A burning mechanism has also been introduced in this project, under which a portion of the coins will be burned automatically with every buy and sell transaction. In the end, only 15 million coins will remain in circulation, and because of this limited supply, the coin's price will increase rapidly in the market. Talking about coin distribution, friends, 4% of the supply has been kept for the emergency fund, 5% for ICO, IO, and airdrop programs, 75% for rewards, 10% for the team, and 6% for research and development. Talking about income opportunities, here you get 6 different types of income: arbitrage trading bonus, direct instant bonus, affiliate instant bonus, affiliate trading bonus, CTO club bonus, and compounding bonus. Now, talking about arbitrage trading bonus, friends, if you start with a package of $100 to $299, you will get a monthly return of 5 to 12%, which comes under the basic package. If you start with $300 to $499, you get the premium package, where you receive a monthly return of 6 to 15%. If you start with $500 or more, you will be eligible for even higher returns under the advanced package. If you refer anyone to join, you will get an additional bonus, and yes friends, here you can earn unlimited income through unlimited direct sponsors. For 1 to 5 direct joins, you get a 5% direct instant bonus, for 6 to 10 directs you get 6%, for 11 to 20 directs you get 7%, and for 21 and above directs, you receive an 8% bonus on every direct joining. Talking about the affiliate instant bonus, friends, this bonus comes from your 10-level generation team. This is a one-time bonus that is earned from your direct referrals. As your team grows up to 10 levels, you get a one-time affiliate instant bonus, 2% on the second level, 1% on the third level, 0.5% on every level from 4th to 9th, and 1% on the 10th level. Now, talking about the affiliate trading bonus, friends, this bonus also comes from all 10 levels of your team and is based on their trading income. For example, if your team earns $10,000 on the first level, you will receive 10%, which means $1,000, as your affiliate trading bonus. Similarly, the chart shown on the screen explains that you will get 10% on the first level, 5% on the second level, 3% on the third and fourth levels, 2% on the 5th to 7th levels, and 1% on the 8th to 10th levels as your affiliate trading bonus. Now coming to the CTO Club bonus, friends, this is a special reward system where, within 1 month, based on your direct joins, you can qualify for club income. If you complete 1 to 5 directs, you come under Club 1 and receive a share of 20% of the 5% pool income, which will be equally distributed among all achievers in that club. Similarly, if you complete 6 to 10 directs, you qualify for Club 2 with the same 20% pool share, 11 to 15 directs make you eligible for Club 3, 16 to 20 directs for Club 4, and 21 or more directs make you eligible for Club 5. If you qualify for Club 5, you will also receive income from all the lower clubs. Talking about the compounding bonus, friends, here you can compound your income and earn huge returns. If you compound for 11 months at a 14% rate, your total return will be 154%. For 22 months at 15%, your total return becomes 320%, and if you compound for 36 months at 16%, you will receive a total return of 576%. Isn't that amazing? Now, friends, let's talk about the NGC roadmap. The complete roadmap from 2025 to 2027 has already been designed and is shown on the screen. Talking about terms and conditions, the total bonus income you can achieve here is 3x of your investment. You can withdraw your arbitrage trading bonus with a minimum of $10 and a maximum of $100 per day. Withdrawals are done in NGC coins, which can be instantly converted into dollars. To earn income from all 10 levels, you must have at least one direct referral on each level. Other terms and conditions are shown on the screen, which you can check in detail. You can also join the company's official social media handles, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Telegram. All the links are available in the description box. So friends, this was the complete presentation of the Next Generation Coin project. If you also want to join this amazing and revolutionary project and earn a great income, contact the senior leaders whose numbers are given in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.